Today I'm gonna show you how to create a Spotify keychain. You just need to come to my website, go over here, and we need to generate a Spotify code SVG. Just place your song over here, just continue, change this to SVG and download it. You can also change base models if you want. After that, we're gonna come back to the website, just take our SVG, drag it over here, and we have the Spotify code over here placed. Now you just need to export the model. After we are in slicer, we just need to put the layer height on 0.16 millimeters, diameter of 0.4, and I would recommend wall generator to Arachne. Now we just need to paint the model, and that's all. We can slice it. It's gonna take us 15 minutes. If you found the website helpful, I would really appreciate like, subscribe and comment. See you!